Genre: expository text. Compare texts. Read about why some animals are called vertebrates. Get a backbone. Most animals in the world fit in one of two groups. Some have backbones, the others do not. People, lizards, owls, frogs, and sharks all have backbones. Touch the back of your neck. That's where your backbone starts. It's a string of bones that goes all the way down your back to your tailbone. What would you be like without a backbone? You couldn't walk or sit up. You'd have to slither around like a worm or swim like an octopus. Those animals have no backbones. Backbone. A rooster is a vertebrate. Its backbone helps hold up its body. Types of vertebrates. Animals with backbones are called vertebrates. All vertebrates have backbones. However, not all vertebrates are alike. They have different features. Some are tiny, others are huge. Some swim while others fly. Vertebrates can be birds, amphibians, fish, reptiles, or mammals. Animals in each group share a unique quality that makes them special. Birds. Most birds can fly, but bees and bats can too. Some birds, like ostriches and penguins, can't fly at all. Ostriches run. Penguins walk and swim. So what makes birds special? Feathers, of course. Feathers keep birds warm. They can help birds to fly and steer through the air. The color of a bird's feathers can help it hide from predators or attract other birds. Reptiles. Lizards and snakes are reptiles. All reptiles have scales covering their bodies. Because reptiles are cold-blooded, they must live in warm places. Some snakes, turtles, and crocodiles live mostly in warm water. Some reptiles live in dry deserts. Most reptiles have low bodies, 4 short legs, and a tail. Only snakes have no legs at all. A parrot is a bird. It has feathers and a backbone. A chameleon is a reptile. It is a cold-blooded vertebrate with scaly skin. Amphibians. Amphibians spend part of their lives in water and part on land. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are amphibians. Most amphibians start out as an egg floating in water. When they hatch, they look like fish. They breathe through gills. As they grow older, they grow legs and lungs and begin to live on land. Fish. Fish are vertebrates with a special ability. They can live in water. Fish don't have lungs to breathe air. They breathe oxygen using body parts called gills. Fish have more species than any other type of vertebrate. There are about 32,000 kinds of fish. These cold-blooded animals live all over the world in rivers, streams, oceans, lakes, and ponds. Vertebrates. This chart compares animals with backbones. Animal, group, body covering, where they live, how they breathe. Animal, mouse. Group, mammal. Body covering, fur. Where they live, woodlands. How they breathe through lungs. Animal, clownfish. Group, fish. Body covering, wet scaly skin. Where they live, oceans. How they breathe through gills. Animal, frog. Group, amphibian. Body covering, smooth, moist skin. Where they live, lakes, ponds. How they breathe breathe through gills, skin, or lungs. A frog is an amphibian. These vertebrates live in water and on land. Clownfish are vertebrates that spend their whole lives in water. Mammals. A mouse and an elephant are related. How? They are vertebrates and they are mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Most have hair or fur that covers their bodies. Their unique feature is milk. Mammal mothers feed their babies milk. All mammals have lungs to breathe air. Most live on land. Some, like whales and dolphins, live in water. Bats are the only mammals that have wings and can fly. They also sleep while hanging upside down. Look around you. The next time you see animals, think about them. Are they vertebrates? What are their special features? A mouse and an elephant look different, but they are both mammals. Both have backbones. Make connections. What one thing makes vertebrates different from other animals? How are these animals like other animals you have read about?